Oh, don't peck my toes. She's just gonna follow me. She thinks I have microgreens. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you why you should be growing microgreens all winter long. During the winter months is when we're trying to boost our immune system, so why not do it with microgreens? Microgreens have high levels of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants, all immune boosting properties right here in these tiny little greens. During the winter months, most of us have shut down our gardens. That's another reason why microgreens are a must during the winter. You can still get that fresh green goodness during the winter. You can grow them indoors all year round, but during the winter months, microgreens are a must. You're growing your own microgreens, you're closing that food chain. How long do you think the food took to get from wherever it was grown, however long it sat on the truck, and however long it took to get to the grocery store where you pick it up? By the time you get it to your house, the vitamins and minerals and nutrients in those greens have nearly diminished. Another great way to get all of those vitamins and minerals is literally growing microgreens right on your kitchen counter, where you can cut it and eat it immediately. So microgreens are already high in nutrients, but could you imagine cutting it and throwing it on your salad or your sandwiches or your wraps, or putting it in your smoothie or juicing it? How much more vitamins and minerals that we're getting? You can grow microgreens and have a fresh salad in 7 days and have a continuous growing rotation, almost like you would in your garden when you succession plant. So you could plant a small tray every couple days and have fresh greens all winter long. Another benefit from growing your own microgreens indoors is you know that they are free from any pesticides, harsh chemicals, any sprays. Not so sure what you're getting at the grocery store. Know whose hands have touched your greens. Just think about that for a second. How many hands have touched the vegetables you get from the grocery store before they get in your hands? Ugh. Not a really good thought. You can also grow microgreens or fodder for your chickens and help supplement their feed during the winter months. You can give them all that good vitamins and minerals so that they can give you really good nutrient-dense eggs. After you harvest the microgreens that you grow yourself, you can just throw the leftovers out to your chickens and they can pick through what's left, be happy because they have a little snack and they'll have a little fun pecking and digging through what's left over from your tray. Or you can grow a tray for the chickens. Maybe you don't have chickens and you get your eggs from a local farmer. How cool would it be to grow microgreens for you and your family, harvest them off, and give the remnants to the local farmer to give to the chickens where you're getting your eggs from? You could even supplement during the winter with microgreens for your livestock. So we could give our sheep some nice nutrient-dense, fresh, luscious greens that they could have during the winter. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you're gonna grow microgreens this winter for your family, for your livestock, for your chickens. Close that food chain, get closer to your food. Leave a comment below. Are you gonna grow fodder for your animals this winter?